Hello guys, welcome to all of you. Hope you guys are doing well. So today we are going to see the text classification using the Google Cloud NLP platform. So before moving to Google Cloud, let me tell you what is the text classification. So the text classification is nothing but it is the process of categorizing text into the different tags. So here by using the NLP, we are directly classifying the text into different categories. So Google is providing us more than 700 plus categories for this text classification. So let's start with the process. So if you see here, first one is the go to the Google Cloud platform. So let's go to the Google Cloud platform. So this is our homepage, that is the Google Cloud platform. So if you click on the menu, so you will get all the options regarding the billing, the info, APIs and services, support systems. So our next step is nothing but go to the natural language processing and select the text classification. So click on the menu and scroll down. So here in artificial intelligence, here you will get the third option, that is the natural language. So just click on the natural language. So we will get the window of the natural language processing. So here we have the two options. The first one is the select project and second was the create new project. So if you want to modify any of your old project, then select a project and modify that project. And if you want to create a new project, just click on the create project. So here you have to give the name, project name, location, and just hit on the create. So if you see here, we can create a 22 projects into the Google Cloud platform, which are totally free. So while creating one by one, it will give you that you have remaining 16 projects in your quota. So no need to worry about that. It is totally free. So give your project name. I'm giving a classifier and just hit on a create project. Click on create. So if you see here, we have to enable the Google Cloud AutoML API. So just click on the enable. So after enable the API, we will get the dashboard. So here if you see, we have the four options. That is, the first one is the AutoML text and document classification. Second one is the AutoML sentiment classification. Third one is the AutoML entity extraction, and last one is the Cloud Natural Language API. So here we can directly use the Google Cloud APIs. So click on AutoML text and document classification because we are going to do the text classification. So just click on the get started. If you see here, we have the options, that is the create dataset. So click on the new dataset. For every project, we have to create a new dataset. So give a name, and after that put a location global as it is. So if you see here, we have the two options for the classification. First one is the single label classification and the second one is the multiple level classification. So here we are going to use the multiple tags. So that is the reason we are going to select the multi-label classification. So click on the radio button, that is the multi-label classification, and hit on create dataset. So after creating dataset, we have to import some input files. For example, we have to import some CSV file or the text file or the PDF file from your computer or from your cloud storage also. So here I am going to upload my CSV file from my computer. So that is the reason I am going to select the upload CSV file from your computer and select on select files. So this is my Excel. So let me show you. Here I have the header, that is the text, and the tag. So here I have two columns. The first, there are multiple sentences, and here I have defined the tags. This process is related to hotel management. So click on the select, then open this text classification.csv file, and if you go down here, you will find the destination on cloud. So remember, here we have to create a cloud storage. Okay, so just click on the browse. Here we have to create the buckets. Buckets is nothing but whichever data we are going to import into our cloud system, it will be stored into one of the bucket. So click on the create bucket. So give the name text classification. Here remember, whenever you want to give any new name to the bucket, only it will take the lowercase letters. So create. So if you see here, my text classification bucket is created. So now it is totally blank. So select this and just import whichever data you are going to upload. So this processing will take minimum 20 to 25 minutes, so no need to worry about it. If you see here also, it will give a message like this can take a several minutes or more. So just wait. After uploading, automatically will send you the mail, and also here it will show you whatever data is present. So if you see here, all the data is uploaded on the cloud. So if you click on the all items, it will show all the Excel data, which is nothing but the items and the labels whichever we are already provided into our Excel. If you click on label, it will show you how many sentences have the tags, or we can say have the labels. So it will show you the sentence and related label, sentence and related label. After that, we can check also how many sentences which are unlabeled. So just click on the unlabeled, so it will show you one sentence is unlabeled. Click on that sentence, so it will show you all the labels available. Also, we can add a new label with the help of add label. So here also we can define if you want to add any new label. So just click on the add new label and give the name and click on save. So here no bathroom in the room, so I am giving that is the related to room, and just save the sentence. So now if you see here, the unlabeled sentences is 0, means automatically it goes to the labeled sentences. So the benefit of the Google Cloud NLP platform is it will automatically distributes the sentences into the training, validation and the testing. We just given the tags to the particular sentences. So after completion of all of this, just click on training. If you see here, it will give us a annotations and labels, how many trainings are there, how many validations are there and testings are there. So as I told, if you see here, the Google is automatically split into train, validation and test sets. So do not worry about the validation and testing process, it will automatically get by the Google NLP. So click on the start training. Here it will ask you for the model name, so give a model name or keep as it is and click on start training. And one of the most benefit is we are not doing a single code for the NLP, so it will take several time. So if you can see now, all the data is successfully uploaded. So go to evaluate. If you see here, it will give us a diagrammatic representation, okay, in the form of the graphs. So directly go to the test. So now you can see here we have the input text below. So give any input here. So for example, station is very near from my hotel, and click on predict and scroll down. You will see it is related to location. Let's try the another one. Room is not clean. So scroll down. If you see here, it is giving the predicted labels, that is the room. So it is identify the text and given us what is the exact category of the sentence. So it is rating from 0 to 1. So if you see here, room is showing the 0.64 percentage. So this sentence is come into the room. So you can try as much you want. Thank you guys.